Suppose it is sine 2x. Now our sign here is negative 5. So I said if it is negative 5, it is telling you that the sign we want to handle here acts is the sign that is negative. So you don't bother with the negative. So first what you do, assume this gets sine inverse 0.5, which would be 30. So it means that the angles we want are not found here. They are not here because this one is sign is positive, sign is positive. Whatever we want the angles here, the angles here. Right? That is the information the negative is giving us. So when you use a negative with your calculator, you are going to get an error, and therefore it's important for you to understand that. So if it was negative, it means that the sign is negative at where the tangent is, where the cosine is. Now that we have 30, so our first angle will be 2x equal to the third quadrant. How do we get an angle in the third quadrant? The third quadrant is 180 plus the theta plus x. Now our x is 30. So 2x equal to 210. X equal to a half, which is 105 degrees. Our next angle is found in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, so we will have 2x is equal to, how do we get the angle at the fourth quadrant? The fourth quadrant is 360 minus theta minus x. Our x is 30. So we subtract, that is 2x is equal to 330. So x we divide by 2 both sides. We get that our x is equal to 165 degrees. Next, now we have finished this one, and we see that our angle has not reached 360, which is our maximum range. So we continue doing the same. Now we go around up to here. We are at 360. We are at 360. Sorry. So we have finished the first cycle. We are now coming to the second cycle. So how do we get an angle here? This is 360, right? 360 plus 180, 180 plus 30. Therefore, we are going 2x equal to 360. We have, that is this one up to this point, right? Plus 180 plus 30, which is 210. We start repeating this and this one. This one is 2x equal to 570 divided by 2 divided by 2. So x is equal to 285 degrees. We have not yet reached the maximum. So we continue. 2x, now we are at this point. How do we get an angle here? An angle at the fourth quadrant is obtained by 360 minus, but remember already we have finished 360, so 360 plus 360 minus theta, which is minus 30. So we will have 2x equal to 360 plus 330. 2x is equal to 690. X divided by 2 divided by 2. So x is equal to 345. So once you have reached here, you can see if you go to the next one, it's going to be more than 360. Also we stop at this point. So the angles for x are the first one is 105 degrees. The second one is 285 degrees. The third one is 345 degrees. This is as simple as that. Thank you very much. Sorry, I've made an error here. I just skipped 165. So they were 1, 2, 3, 4. So 105, 165 degrees, 285, and 345. Thank you.